Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. Open Settings, go to Device Care, and view battery to see current patterns and estimated health. Once done, install any system or app updates because efficiency gains often arrive in updates. Make sure to enable power-saving mode and toggle off unused radios like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Doing this immediately reduces background drain. Finally, force stop or uninstall one or two heavy apps that show excessive wake time so you can see battery improvement from the first actions. Next, focus on the detailed settings that consume most power. You should lower screen brightness and enable adaptive brightness so the display scales to ambient light. The screen is usually the biggest drain. Then go into Apps and restrict background activity or data for high-drain apps and clear cached background processes when needed. Enable adaptive battery and review app power management to limit apps from auto-starting. These steps cut recurring wake cycles and translate into meaningful battery life improvements over several charge cycles. Finish by calibrating and stabilizing the battery. Charge to 100%, then use the phone until about 5% before charging fully again. This helps recalibrate reporting. Use the original charger and avoid prolonged fast charging when the phone gets hot, because heat accelerates degradation. If you still see excessive drain, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. And as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up your data. If that fails, consider professional battery replacement as the final recourse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.